Hey guys, what's up? This is the Bull here. I'm over here at a home that I purchased about 7 months ago, and I had to take some time off, so I hadn't been able to finish it. But I'm getting close now. So this home here was really in bad shape. So I came in with a buddy of mine. We did the whole inside. We finished the inside. There's still a whole bunch of touch-ups in there, and then I got to put in there, refrigerator, stove, and all that kind of stuff in there. But today, I also had to have all the siding taken off of this home. Put up cedar siding here, new electrical box, beautiful picture windows you see there. I still haven't finished the floor. I put the floor down, but have to put some linoleum down here. This is like a little laundry room here that leads to the back there. This is how the kitchen, let's see if we got some lights here. Kitchen's not done. You can see I got the cabinetry out there, but I finished the tile on the floor. I took the cabinetry. I'm leaving the same cabinets up. All I did is gave it a makeover, painted them black, and I'm going to put it back, put new countertop there with the sink there. Fresh paint everywhere. As you can see here, I put new fans in all the rooms. This is the living room here. Nice lights, stuff like that. You can see the windows, all brand new windows. This is the bathroom, all redone. Really nice bathroom. Here's one of the rooms over here with new fans, new windows, new carpets. Right now I'm just doing kinds of touch-ups and stuff here and there and stuff like that. New carpet in this room here. Fans in all the rooms. This is the bigger room here of the two. If they don't want the carpets there, they can rip them out because the house is hardwood floor throughout, as you can see. And you see I put the new porch in the front there to give it some little bling. You know what I'm saying, bro? Because there was asbestos siding. So I had a professional crew come in here, take off the asbestos off the house, and then myself and my buddy, we put the siding back on. We put new windows on, and there's gonna be new AC, heating, and everything put up in this house here. This house is wonderful. It's close to a lake nearby, Lake Russell, which is like 10 minutes from the house here. So it's in a beautiful spot. So this home here, I was thinking about maybe keeping it and using it as a little place that I can come down to, and when I want to go fishing and all that stuff like that. But the wife wants to flip it, so I think that's what we're going to end up doing, is flipping this home. Yeah, I already have a few people that are interested in the home, so it's looking good. So what I'm doing today is I'm putting shutters. I don't want to buy shutters. I just want to do my own. So I'm gonna just make some shutters, put them on the house. I think they'll look good once they have the the white on the black trimming, whatnot. So it's looking good. So I'll take you along slow by slow as I'm going on, so you can see what I'm doing. Also, I just don't get it. I got to do some construction work as well. So things are tough. So got to make some money wherever you can. Okay, so thank you for always being part of the Bull's Garden and showing me love. So today we're not going to be in the garden, but we're going to be over here rehabbing this home. Over here on this side here is what I did is I'm making some short shutters there, and I got I had to caulk this here because I'm trying to hide. I'm going to let it dry off, sand it, and give it another little little paint. Now these ones right here are go on the other side because we got some short windows on that side there. That this part here, this bump out right here, is going to be like a laundry mud room. So I put new what do you call those? This anyway. I can't remember. They're not regular windows. These are the windows, and these windows over here like picture windows. So they're different sizes. So I got to custom the shutters to make them look good. So I already put those ones here, and on the other side I'm gonna do the same. So I'm gonna just let these dry out while I continue working, and when these dry, I'll sand them, paint them, and get them up. So we'll put this off to the side for right now. All right, so we just put these off to the side, let them dry while I continue working. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back over here been a few days, and I had to let that caulk dry on those shutters. So I'm back here now. I sand them down, and I'm gonna go ahead and give them another little paint job there to take away all that white off there. So as you can see, the shutters are up now, and the house is just looking so beautiful. I can't wait to get inside and just finish off everything I got to do in there. But the house from outside is just looking so beautiful from what it was before. Make that money. It's such a beautiful day today.